today I'm going to show you Chrome Music Lab from my earlier video. I believe it was how to entertain yourself on the internet. Okay, so here is this one of my favourites. So this is square, and these just they make different sounds if you drag them up or drag them down. So there's circle, triangle, sawtooth, and square. They are the oscillators. So check that out. There's rhythm, and I'm only going to be showing some of them today. So you can make a beat, and you can add them in. So that's cool. And then there's chords. So you can press a key, and then there'll be also you can switch it from minor to major. That's cool. So also this is the original Song Maker. This like the one that everyone does. So let me just move that thing. You can go. So that's not the only thing. And you can play it. Sounds nice. Anyway, so that's Chrome Music Lab. There are a lot more I can tell you. SPECTROGRAM, I like that. You get to play a bunch of sounds. There's even a speaking one. So it will record your voice, and it will just go up and down to your voice. There's birds, there's all sorts of stuff. So check that out. Also, there's Kadinsky where you draw stuff and it makes sounds. Alright, so not many others I really know or have ever tried, but I'm going to try them soon. Anyway, thanks for watching. Goodbye.